In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wrike and Microsoft Teams. Bringing these two tools together lets your team manage work right where conversations are already happening. You'll be able to create Wrike tasks from chat messages, see projects and folders inside a channel, and get real-time notifications without constantly switching tabs. It's a simple setup that pays off with faster responses and fewer missed action items. Start in your Wrike workspace. Make sure you're signed in with the account you use for your day-to-day work so the right spaces and permissions carry over. In the top right corner, click your profile to open the account menu. From there, choose Apps and Integrations. This opens Wrike's Integrations gallery where you can connect Wrike to other services your team already uses. In the gallery, switch to the All Plans view so you can see the full list of available apps. Browse or search until you find Microsoft Teams, then open the Microsoft Teams integration page. Here you'll see what the integration does and what it needs to work. When you're ready, click Go to App. At this point, Microsoft Teams will open the Wrike app for Teams. If you have the desktop version of Teams installed, it may prompt you to open it there. Otherwise, you can continue in your web browser. Choose whichever option your organization prefers. If your browser asks for permission to open the Teams application, approve that prompt to continue. Inside Teams, sign into your Wrike account to link the two services. You'll be asked to authorize the connection so Wrike and Teams can share information securely. Review the permissions and click Authorize. In some organizations, an administrator may need to approve new apps or connections. If you see an approval message, follow your internal process and return here once access is granted. Once connected, you're ready to work. You can create Wrike tasks directly from Teams messages, so decisions and to-dos are captured instantly. You can view Wrike projects and folders inside Teams, keeping context and work in the same place. You can update task details without leaving Teams, attach important messages to tasks so the full conversation travels with the work, and receive timely task notifications right in your Teams channels or chats. To keep things focused, consider reviewing your notification preferences in both tools so you're alerted to what matters most. And that's it. You've connected Wrike and Microsoft Teams, bringing collaboration and task management together to help your team move faster and stay organized.